Good afternoon guys, I'm Ashley from VIBE R&D. Today we're going to run through with you exactly how to fit a VIBE Powerbox65.4 Micro amplifier. Today what we're going to look at is an OEM fitment into a standard factory radio. As you can see in front of me, we have everything that you require to install this product. The VIBE 65.4 Micro amplifier, its wiring loom which is included with the product, a vehicle specific T-harness which can be included with any of the Powerbox 65.4 micro amplifiers, and an example of a factory head unit, in this case which is Volkswagen. It's very simple and easy to install. First of all, we take the 65.4 and we lock in the Morlex connector. The Morlex connector has on it ISO looms, inputs and outputs. What we do is we take an example of the OEM stereo, which in this case is a quad lock. This is removed from the stereo. This would be the attachment on the vehicle itself. This attachment will plug into the T-harness. The T-harness and the adapter plug directly in, male into female. This is then located in to the factory stereo. This is now the factory stereo connected back to the car radio loom. Simply use the supplied ISO harness and connect directly in to the Powerbox 65.4 micro loom. This unit is now connected to the stereo, connected to the car, and is amplifying all the speakers in the system. This is giving 65/4 RMS down all the channels of the speakers, which is going to significantly amplify the speaker sound, up to 5 times more than the factory stereo. The fantastic things about this product is also you have RCA inputs, but they also double as RCA outputs. So when this amplifier is used in the method we've just shown, these can be sent directly to the Powerbox 400.1 mono amplifier to give signal for a subwoofer output. We also have a remote output which will allow us to turn on any additional amplifiers. This is the Powerbox 65.4, and in the next tutorial we'll go through the Powerbox 400.1 and exactly how to install that for a subwoofer application.